I see. That's just a little odd writing.
Hey, Sammy.
Oh, hello there, sire.
Wonderful day we're having, right?
Uh-huh. Wonderful weather we're having today. Inside.
Uh-huh, I see. So, any plans for today?
Well, no, not really. Oh, yuck. Oh, hello there, guys.
Hey, Boris.
Hey there, Boris. Wonderful weather we're having.
That's what I just said.
Oh, look. Alright then. Well, I'm gonna head off right down that way.
Okay, then.
See you guys later. You know, that did remind me for something.
What do you mean, Sammy?
We met Boris, and I just noticed something of like a flashback about Boris.
Flashback about Boris? What do you mean?
Well, this may hard sound to believe, but come with me.
Okay.
Step right this way, Bendy.
The ink machine?
Yes.
We've been here before.
Yeah? Just go in. I need to talk to you about something.
Alright then. So, why do you want to be in here, Sammy?
It's something about Boris that's pretty crazy for me to tell you.
Well, come on, spit it out. I want to hear it.
Well, in the past, when you were created in the rest of us,
Yeah? What else happened?
Boris had an evil clone.
Wait, evil clone?
Yes. You know how Joey always likes to make, like, Boris clones with the ink machine?
Yes?
Well, apparently, when the machine malfunctioned a bit, and something went wrong with the Boris.
What do you mean?
I'm talking about Boris had a clone that actually never acted the way that he was in the rest of them.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Well, what was wrong with this clone?
This clone, I mean, he looked just like him, he had the same overalls, the same action, but apparently, there was a big mistake about him.
What do you mean?
He had these really weird glowy eyes, and he has a really distorted voice.
Really?
Yes. And I've seen him before.
Really?
Yes, I've seen it all.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
So why are you telling me this now?
Because I want to show you what really happened whenever someone, like, something malfunctions the machine. And then, like, whenever it comes out of the machine, may make him go crazy.
Wow. I actually never knew that. Until now.
And the name of this Boris, they called him Borkis.
Borkis? Like, it's like Boris, but with a K in his name, or a C?
It's with a K.
Oh, I see now. So Borkis, he's like a myth or something about this?
No, this is actually true.
Wait, true?
Yes. He's still somewhere around the studio, searching for food, or flesh and bones.
Oh my. How you doing? Huh? Oh. Hey, Edgar. I've heard some really strange commotions here. What's the hubba? Well, Sammy just told me a story about Boris. Oh, okay, Boris. What does he have to know? Or what was it about? Sammy told about this story about Boris having an evil clone of himself. He had these really weird glowy eyes, and he has a really scary voice. You really think that clumsy old wolf has an evil clone of himself? Don't make me laugh. I'm sure you'll get used to that very soon, Bendy. Wait, I'm being serious, Edgar. He has an evil clone of himself. Yeah. Tell it to the judge. Whatever.
Don't listen to him, Bendy. They're just massive jerks, that's what they are.
Yup. I knew that from the very start. Anyways, thanks for telling me about that.
No problem. Hopefully he just doesn't come up here and haunt us.
Just forget about it, Bendy. Just ignore Edgar. He's just a jerk. Hey, Bendy. Oh. Hey there, Alice. You look pretty down. What's going on? Well, Sammy just told me an odd story about Boris. Boris? What about him? He told me about this evil clone of himself that's roaming around the studio. Wait, what? Like, we all know the Boris clones before, but not this one. What do you mean? He had these really weird glowy eyes and a distorted voice. Whoa, I've never heard of that before. And he said his name was Borkis. Borkis, that was his name? Yeah, apparently. It's just another one of those legends that Sammy always talks about. Really? Of course. Besides, if Borkis really was here, he would just been here from the start, you know. Are you sure? An angel never lies, Bendy. Oh, I see your point. Well, just try and relax, okay? Okay, thanks. I'm just head to one of the rooms and listen to some music.
Anyone here? Okay, no. Alright, here it is. My secret. Now I'm just gonna go inside and see what I can think of. There it is. My secret door. No one has to know about this. Alright, I'm going in. He comes out from the shadows to offer me his blessing. Wait, what the? What is that? It sounds like it's coming from right there. Hello? Hello? Is anyone down there? What the? What's wrong with his voice? Hello? Okay, whoever's down there, come out right now. I'm not afraid of you. Okay. I mean, it couldn't be so bad, right? What could be down here? Let's see. I mean, it's just a figment of your imagination, that's all. Dreams come true, that's it. Okay, I think you're... Whoa! Is that a Boris clone, or is that Tom? Tom? What are you doing down here? My sign says keep out for a reason. And what is wrong with your voice? You need a mint. Tom? Who are you calling Tom? Whoa. Wait, what the? Who are you? No one needs to know who I am. Because you already did. What makes you say that? I mean... There can be only one wolf in this place. And that is me. What? What? It's you. I thought you were left. You cannot leave this place, you know. There's no escape. Better start running, dinner. No need to run. It'll only make you tired if you do. Stay away from me! No need to run. I'll kill you anyways.
Sammy! Alice, what's going on? Why are you running?
I'm running from him. Oh, look at this. You've led me to more dinner.
Oh, what? Isn't that the Boris clone evil thing you told me or told Bendy earlier?
Yes, it is.
Wait, he's here?
Yes, he's real and he's here.
What do we do?
I don't know, but I have a plan. Go get the Tommy gun.
Wait, the Tommy gun?
Yes, and get Audrey to get the axe.
Okay, I'll get the axe with Audrey. Okay.
I just need to find Bendy. Think they can outsmart me? I'll find them anyways.
Oh yeah.
Bendy!
Wait, what? Sammy?
Oh, thank goodness I found you. Turn off the radio. He might hear you.
Wait, why?
Just turn it off.
Okay, I'll turn it off. Shh. Okay, it's turned off. What? What is it? Why are you so worried?
You know Borkis I told you about earlier?
Yeah. What about him?
He's in the workshop. Right here, right now.
What?
That's right. He's here.
What is he doing here?
I don't know. He just came out of my secret door. I don't know where he came from.
Well, we gotta make something. How do we get rid of him?
I'm not sure, but I told Alice to get the Tommy gun and Audrey to get the axe.
Okay. Just don't freak out. He's gonna feast on us for dinner.
Bendy, relax. We just need to find a way to stall him. Oh, inky guy. Where are you? Come out to play. Hey, you guys even know where the... It's you. What do you think you're doing here? I should be asking you the same thing. Well, I think not. Why did you come up here? Just to hunt me or my friends? Well, if you really like that way, there can only be one wolf in this studio. And that will be me. Oh no, you're not. I'm the only good wolf around here. That's world famous, you know. Now, if you would like to put it that way, I know what I suggest to do. And what's that? Defeating you. Well, I may not just be a fighter, but I know how to dodge anything. Well, if you like to have a fight, Let's get to it. Oh boy. Come on, face me like a man. Oh yeah? How about this? I forgot. I'm gonna bite you. I'm gonna bite you. No. He looks like he's pretty distracted with Boris. Come on, Boris, you can do this. I'm trying my best, baby. He's choking me. They're choking you to death. Yeah. So, you're telling me, fellas, you're saying that there's an evil version of Boris?
Dang right there is, Charlie. And Bendy seems to make it up with Sammy.
One of Sammy's stories, of course. What about you, Barley? Are you buying this? Not even a little bit. Hey, what's that? What's what? Something going on with Tom?
Usually I'm not sure. Hey, Tom, are you okay?
I think I have a feeling that's not Tom, you guys. Who are you calling Tom? Whoa. Okay, what's wrong with him? Is it like a completely different one?
I'm not sure. Is everything okay, Tom?
For the last time, I am not.
Oh my gosh. Tom is evil! Oh my gosh, why?
Let's just get out of here, boys. Now, without further ado, time to finish you off. What? I'm gonna feast on your bones tonight. No, you won't. Yes, I will.
Hey, Borkis!
What do you want?
If you have a problem with him, you have a problem with me. So back off!
Wow. Tough talk to a little guy. No, I wouldn't mind. So why don't you go ahead and just back off?
Oh, you've messed with the wrong demon, buddy. I can't say I warned you.
And what makes you say that? Wait, what? You're gonna wish you never said that. Never. Oh, look at this. He's all grown up. He never ages, you know. He's going out. He's right, you know. Now, without further ado, time for a sucker punch. Wait, what? Eat this. Huh? You think you have a problem with me? You have a problem with me? Yes, I do. Come on, sire. Give him a sucker punch.
Sammy, over here. I got the Tommy gun, like you said. Okay, now where's Audrey? Over here. So, what did you just say earlier? I didn't really understand it. Alright, fine, I'll say it again. So right now, there's an evil version of Boris with a weird glowy eyes, yada yada yada. He's trying to eat us, or kill us mostly, or just eat our bones. So yeah. Okay, is that him right there?
I'm gonna choke you. I'm gonna choke you to death. No, you're gonna be the one who's beginning falling into the abyss. You. No, I won't. You will. No.
Yup, that's him, alright. Bendy, can you move? Or just hold him. Because I'm ready to shoot this wolf.
Oh, will do, Alice. Hey, what are you doing? Holding you down. Why? So that you'll be the one that'll be falling into the abyss of hell. No, I won't. Hurry up, Alice. He's slipping.
Say your prayers, you dirty wolf. No offense, Boris.
Don't worry. I'm used to it. Really hurt my feelings.
Come on, Alice. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Nighty night, Borkis. Die! Die!
Yeah. Stay down on the ground. The pain. It's resisting.
He's still breathing. And I'm out of ammo, too. Well, Audrey, looks like you're the one who's gonna finish him off. Okay, here we go. Gotta put my foot on his back.
What are you doing?
Putting you out of your misery. Get ready. Rest in peace, wolf brain.
Oh! Whoa.
Oh, thank goodness. He's done. Oh, good riddance. He's finally done. Oh boy, I'm gonna go relax now. Oh, thank goodness. Never thought I would never see this guy again. Finally, he's done. Now, this was something that I wanted to see in action today.
Wow. For many years, I haven't seen this guy in a long time.
But yet, he's gone?
Yup, looks like it.
Yep, good riddance.
Yeah. He scares me a lot.
Yeah, but now look at the bright side. Audrey put him out of his misery.
Of course she did. Man, I feel hungry.
You know, from all that fighting from Borkis, I do feel a bit hungry as well. What do you say we go fix ourselves some bacon soup?
Bacon soup? I would love that, Bendy.
You're the only wolf I always trust, my friend.
Thanks, Bendy.
Now come on, let's head down.
Now remember, everyone, I'm the only good wolf around here, you know. Oh, yuck. Hey, you forgot about me too, you know. You forgot about me, didn't you? No way, Tom. I would never forget you. Are you very sure about that? Yeah, I'm sure. It's a good thing we don't need a third wolf in this one. Yeah, like what you say. Anyways, I'm gonna go fix myself some bacon soup. See you later, Tom. Yeah, we don't need more wolves in this place, you know. We need 2. Oh, oh, look.